Let's talk about widgets. Webster's dictionary defines widgets as an unnamed article considered for purposes of hypothetical example. So how does the Spin team define widgets? We think it is more of a catch-all category for miscellaneous services that help you integrate Spin outside of Spin. So today, let's create a contact form widget so you can gather prospects from your website and stay organized with Spin. So here we are at the Spin dashboard. To create this widget, we're going to head to the settings and the header tab. If you're on mobile, you're going to choose the menu icon and head to settings there. Then on the sidebar, or if you're on mobile, it's going to be on top in a little scroll wheel. We're going to head down to widgets. This is going to pull up all of the widgets here from our business. You can see here we've got a couple of testers. So we're going to create our first real widget here, which is going to be a website contact form. Pretty basic stuff. So we're going to call this web page home. That's a website homepage. That's better. That's a website homepage. Now for Spin's widgets, we automatically include first name, last name, phone number, and email because that's what Spin needs to operate. Other than that, we give you a couple of options. You can choose contact preference, contact source, event date, event location, and a message field. So for this, since it's a website homepage, we are going to just go for event date, event location, and a message. And then Spin is going to generate those fields in that order. So let's go to next step. So now for this one, you're going to see an email editor, which if you've looked at our contract editor or any sort of an automation thing, then you're going to notice this is going to look very, very similar, the same sort of familiar text editor that we've seen. Now, what this email is going to be designed for is this is going to respond whenever a user submits a contact form to you. Then Spin automatically generates an email and sends it to them to let them know that we've received it, we've got it, and we're working on a response. So for this email, if you happen to have an email template already built out, you can use that, or you can design a one-off email, which is what we're going to do. So again, since this is going to be a website homepage template, then we're going to go ahead and just say, thanks for checking it. And then here, we're going to do a heading that says, hi, thanks for contacting Simple City Event Co. And then we're going to delete this stock text and we're going to say, thank you so much for contacting us. We can't wait for the opportunity to chat with you. Oh, and I'm not Simple City Event Co. I'm just a robot they've programmed to send this email. My existence is very boring. That's pretty much it. That's all we need to do to generate it. So we're going to click Create Widget. So then that's going to generate an iframe. Here's some code that you can go ahead and enter as custom HTML into your website. That will generate a contact form that we have formatted. And whenever a user submits the entry to that, then we will send that template email that we just wrote to that user through the email address that they put in. And then we will also send you an email notification letting you know that there's been a new submission and what the information is. Then finally, we're going to delete these two test templates that we have in here, these two test widgets. We're going to go ahead and hover right over them to delete them, click that trash can, confirm, and we're going to confirm on this one as well. And there we go. So now you've seen how to create contact forms through widgets on Spin. Thank you so much for watching the Spin Setup video, and we'll see you on the dashboard.